Hi there! Are you looking for a quick and effective way to lose weight? Intermittent fasting could be the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips on how to intermittent fast for quick weight loss. Intermittent fasting is the idea of alternating periods of eating and fasting. It's a popular way to lose weight because it can help you burn more calories than you consume. By limiting your eating window to 16 hours, your body is forced to rely on fat stores for energy, which can lead to weight loss. Here's how to intermittent fast for quick weight loss. Step 1. Set your fasting window. Start by deciding on the length of your fasting window. The ideal length is 16 hours. However, you can also experiment with shorter or longer windows to see how your body reacts. Step 2. Plan your meals. When your fasting window is over, you can start planning your meals. Focus on eating a balanced diet that includes lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Avoid eating during your fasting window and aim to eat small, frequent meals throughout the day. Step 3. Monitor your progress. It's important to monitor your progress to ensure you're getting the best results from intermittent fasting. Keep track of your weight, body measurements, and energy levels. This will help you see how fast you're losing weight and make adjustments to your diet and exercise routine as needed. Intermittent fasting can be a challenging way to eat, but with the right mindset and approach, it can be a great way to lose weight. Remember to focus on healthy eating habits, and don't be afraid to experiment with different fasting windows and meal plans until you find what works best for you.